Hi, NAD is going to be the next big thing in anti-aging, and I'm making this video especially to make you aware of how you can use NAD to get better results in terms of your anti-aging. Now, as you age, what happens is the body regeneration and the body processes start getting slow. And why do they get slow? Is because there's a powerhouse in the body cells. Your body is made out of small, tiny cells which you cannot even see. And there is a lithium-ion battery equivalent in each cell. That is called mitochondria. That is the powerhouse of each cell. It keeps the cell alive. It helps it to regenerate, gives life to you. Now, as we age, the mitochondrial power starts to come down. This is where the role of NAD starts to develop. Now, over the recent, let's say over the past year or so, or perhaps in the last 6 months or so, internationally, NAD has drips have taken a lot of importance, and now in India, for the past month to 2 months, this has entered the Indian markets, and NAD drips are being frequently used for people who are conscious about themselves, people who care about themselves, who want to age gracefully, who want to support their body in aging. Now, NAD allows that cell to come back to what it should have been, takes away the effect of anti-aging, and therefore you feel more energy, you do not feel so tired, you have more vigor, and on your face and the body it is visible. So if you are aging less, the skin of your hands is going to be more smooth, the wrinkles are going to be much less. On the face, the fine wrinkles are not going to be there as much. I'm not saying it will make you look like a 20-year-old, nothing can. But what it will do is it will start reducing the fine wrinkles which come, and therefore the bigger wrinkles which are supposed to come later will not happen. You will see that the skin starts to look better because it is now more youthful and more energetic. So we are exploring different options of NAD. What are the future uses of NAD? Are not 100% clear. Of course, with anti-aging, a lot of more uses will come up. But today, we are introducing NAD drips at our center as well. We are going to mention the pricing in the description. So the initial offer for the month of March is going to be mentioned in the description. So if you want to know about NAD, connect with my team and they will connect you with me. And together we can make you more youthful and less older.